This is week 28, Thursday. Question 1, 1.5 multiplied by 0.6 is 0.9. Question 2, what's the chance of choosing a face card from a deck of 52 playing cards? So what are the face cards? King, Queen, and Jack. There's 3 of them in each suit. There's 12 of them in the whole pack. That's 12 in 52. You would simplify it probably as 3 in 15. That makes sense because there's 1, 2, 3 in each suit, and there's 13 cards in each suit. 1 ace to 10, and then your 3 face cards. Question number 3, cars traveling at 60 kilometers an hour, how long will it take to travel 5 kilometers? Well, again, if it's 60 kilometers in an hour and an hour is 60 minutes, it's going at 1 kilometer per minute. So it'll take 5 minutes to travel 5 kilometers. Question number 4, what's the area of a wall? 7 meters by 4 meters. You multiply 7 by 4, you get 28 square meters. Question number 5, 1/3 of an hour is 20 minutes. Question number 6, half 0.03 is 0.015. Question 7, 5 and 5 over 20 take away 15 over 20. I kind of did this out by taking one of the units away from the 5 and breaking it up into 20ths. So 1 unit is 20 over 20, isn't it? And I'm going to add it on to the 5 over 20, so I'm going to have 4 and 25 over 20. This is the most straightforward way for me of doing it. Now, there might be different ways of doing it. You could turn the whole thing into an improper fraction. 5 by 20 is 100 plus 5 is 105 over 20. Take away 15 over 20, and then simplifying down your answer. But if you can do it with just 1 unit gone, this number doesn't get as big. So the unit that we taken away from here is still here. It's in that 20 over 20 added to the 5 is 25. Then you've got a smaller number to take away from here, and your answer is 4 and 10 over 20. 4 and 10 over 20 is 4.5. So I'm going to simplify it as that. Question 8, 12 multiplied by 1/3 is the same as 12 divided by 3. It's always the case. If you're multiplying it by 1/3, you're dividing it by 3 really, because what you're doing is you're putting 12 over 3. Your answer is going to be 4. Question number 9. The angles in a triangle are 95 degrees and 50 degrees. What's the third angle? It's 35 degrees. Question number 10. The total cost of 5 stickers is 90 cents. What's the average cost of 1 sticker? It's 90 divided by 5, 18 cents. Question number 11. How many degrees has a square? 360 degrees. Question 12. 45 divided by 5, well, that's 9, equals 3a. So 9 equals 3a. That means that a equals 3. 13. Round 7.097 to 1 decimal place. Now look at this. Even though they give you 3 decimal places here, they're looking for 1 decimal place. So that 7 isn't important. The 9 is the one that's important. That's the one that's making a decision. So it's 7.1. Question 14. Draw a 90-degree rotation clockwise. I was just looking at this before I started making the video, and I made a mess of it. I went clockwise. It should be anti-clockwise. So this is wrong. So it should be like that. And the white one is here. And the darker one is there. So that's anti-clockwise. It should go like that way. Question 15. The area of the house is 200 meters squared. What's the area of the garden? Okay. So if you look here, the whole thing is 20 by 30. 2 by 3 is 6. So 20 by 30 is 600 meters. And if the house is 200 meters, you're going to take that away from 600 and your garden is 400 square meters. And question 16, the perimeter of the house is 60 meters. What's the perimeter of the garden? So you have to kind of fill in the details here, the extra bits of information that you aren't given. You aren't told that, for instance, but you're told that's 30 and that's 20, so this is 10. And the whole height of it is 20, and that's 10. So then that's also 10. So you just add up 10, 20, 10, 10, 20, and 30. And your answer is 100. 100 meters for the perimeter. Question 17. 3.5% is 0.035. Question 18. 6y take away 10 is 20. That means 6y was 30, wasn't it? So 30 take away 10 is 20. That means that y equals 5. It's on the video screen, sorry. Y is still equal to 5. Question 19, 60% is 3 over 5 is 0.6. Question 20, what letter is opposite B? It's going to be, sorry, what letter is opposite E? It's going to be B. Because that one there. This one's going to come down to the side. This one will flip around the back to join onto the D. So it's going to be in here. Problem solving for Wednesday. Sorry, that was Wednesday. Thursday. The angle A, again, you find out by adding these two together, taking them away from 180. Your answer is 35. Which type of triangle is it? And written down here, badly drawn isosceles. That's not the name of the triangle. It's an isosceles triangle. Why am I saying it's badly drawn? Because that angle and this angle are supposed to be the same, but they're completely not. So it's an isosceles triangle, but it's not drawn properly. But this is a question that comes up. Do you go with what it looks like, or do you go with the information in the numbers that they've given you? You have to go with that information. So even though there's no way that that triangle is an isosceles triangle, I mean, if you look at it this way, it's really clear that is not an isosceles triangle. That angle and that angle have to be exactly the same to make it an isosceles, and this point should be in the middle then. It's not. But they told you that that's 35 degrees, that's 35 degrees, that's 180, so it is an isosceles triangle.